How often do we catch ourselves saying yes when deep down we really want to say no? Maybe it's that friend inviting you out when you're emotionally drained, or the coworker who asks you to take on just one more thing, or a family member needing a favor when your plate is already full. And every time, we smile politely and agree while a quiet voice inside us whispers, "Not again." We do it because we're afraid of seeming rude, afraid of hurting someone's feelings, afraid of disappointing others. But here's the truth we don't say out loud often enough: saying no isn't selfish or rude or cold. It's an act of strength. It's how you defend your time, protect your peace, and stay aligned with your purpose. Let's take a step back. Steve Jobs, the visionary behind Apple, once said that people often misunderstand what it means to have focus. They think focus means saying yes to the right thing, but according to Jobs, focus actually means saying no to 100 other good ideas. He didn't build revolutionary products by chasing every new opportunity. He built them by cutting out the noise and narrowing his energy to what truly mattered. That's the real insight. Saying no doesn't close doors, it clears the way. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in history, said it even more bluntly: the difference between successful people and very successful people is that very successful people say no to almost everything. Almost everything, because Buffett knows this truth: when you say yes to too much, you're silently saying no to your future, your goals, your mental space, and your well-being. So why do we still find it so hard to say no? It's simple. We want to be liked. We avoid conflict. We seek validation. Somewhere along the line, we confused being helpful with being worthy. But here's the twist: you don't earn your value by draining yourself. You affirm your value by respecting your limits. That's the power of saying no. What do you gain? Clarity. Every no brings you closer to the yes that matters, the yes aligned with your values, your vision, and your true priorities. Health. Let's be honest, overcommitting is a slow burn on your health. The stress, the fatigue, the constant rush. Saying no gives your body and mind room to breathe. Better relationships, boundaries build trust. When you communicate honestly, the people who respect you won't resent your no, they'll respect it. Self-worth. Every time you say no with integrity, you're reminding yourself I matter too. So how can you begin to say no gracefully but firmly? Start by knowing your priorities. Before answering to others, answer to yourself: what matters most to me right now? Clear priorities build confident responses. Next, pause before committing. The next time someone asks for your time or energy, don't rush in. Take a breath. Ask yourself, is this a true yes? If not, it's a no. Use simple, polite scripts. For example, thank you for thinking of me, but I'm not able to take this on right now. You don't owe anyone a long explanation. Keep it respectful, kind, and clear. When appropriate, offer an alternative. You can still be helpful, just not at your own expense. Recommend someone else or suggest a later time if it feels right. And most importantly, let go of the guilt. You're not a robot, you're a human. Saying no isn't being cold, it's being real. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. Like a muscle, your ability to say no gets stronger with each rep. Always remember, saying no isn't rejection, it's redirection. Back to what truly matters. Back to peace. Back to purpose. Back to you. So next time your gut says, I really don't want to, listen to it. Say no kindly, clearly, and confidently. Because the most successful, joyful, and fulfilled people didn't get there by pleasing everyone, they got there by learning when to say no unapologetically and intentionally. That's it for today. If this message resonated with you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more empowering content. See you next time.